Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Quen here, and today I am memory planning for the month of January. Today is January 30th, so I will be going back to add a few more things. I'm using a kit from Jkcreatesco. It's my first time using one of her kits, and I really loved using it. The only thing, I wish there were florals that came with it, but it's okay. I love that she has this like chunky foiling in the florals of the kit. I think that's something that she really does in most of her kits, is the chunkiness. And that's one thing that I really liked about it. I did make a few like errors, but you'll see me fix them as I go along. As for the sizing and trying out the monthly kit, there is a little bit of extra space at the top, which I find that most monthly kits do that. Even if I was to get one from Sadie Stickers, it would still have a little bit of spacing at the top. You can always, use the lace trims or any like washi trims from like Sadie Stickers or Alyssa's Craft Shop. I think she offers them as well. I think those would be really good to go over it. I thought that because it had already that chunkiness in the chunky foiling in the florals there, I didn't want to add any more to it. So I completely ruined the date, the scripts that came from the kit. So I'm using one from Letters to Apollo. I wanted a Monday start, but I ended up doing a Sunday start because I didn't have enough of the little decorative boxes to cover the days that we don't use. Yeah, so pretty much I just used the Letters to Apollo, started with the Sunday start. And I ruined my Friday because I had to pull it up. I ruined one and then I put another one down thinking that it was the way that I put it down, but actually Friday is like a little bit taller or something. So I kept moving that. So this is me like trying to decide what I really wanted to do, because I was about to pull up everything and use the kit here that you see from Sadie Stickers and just do my January monthly with that. However, I was on the phone with my friend and she was telling me, it looks good, just, keep going. So I kept going, and I actually do end up liking how it turns out. It's always good to try, new things. So this spread actually turned out more minimal, I guess, than what I would normally do in my monthly, but it turned out beautiful. Now here I am messing up because the month actually started on Saturday and I put the box down on Friday. The decorative box is from the kit. I love the little floral accents that are on it. The New Year's Day script is also from the kit. I do move everything to where it needs to be later. I had to move every number, every box where it was supposed to be, but it's okay. Things happen. This year, the start of this year just really felt the same to me. No big difference, but I'm trying to keep myself in a good mindset to where, things are going to happen in a good way and greater things are to come. So that's kind of like my mindset for the New Year's. I'm putting down the box here to mark MLK Day. Everything that I used is from the kit, as well as the little washi swatch on day 23. Yes, the swatch is also from the kit. So she had the swatches, these little embellishments here that you see me putting on over top of the MLK Day. I also pulled in these foiled accents from Alyssa's craft shop. They're kind of like date toppers, I think. So yeah, I put in these rose date toppers, and they worked really good just to foil the month area up a bit, especially being that I didn't have any florals. It worked out really well. So like I said, I do eventually move everything around after I notice that, hey, this actually starts on Saturday. I really did like the end result of the way the monthly looked. These little foiled florals as well are also from Alyssa's craft shop. So I don't have my planner in front of me, but I'm gonna try to remember what I put down. So on the 2nd, I wanted to mark that I received my order still, and then I just pulled in a little swatch from the kit to mark that. On the 3rd, I received my order from Red Lyrics, pulled in just layering pieces here. On the 4th was a movie night, and we ended up watching Nemo. On the 6th, my physical therapy was canceled, and then on the 7th, baby had his first grilled cheese. On the 10th, we had a pizza night, and then on the 18th, there was a school conflict where my son was pushed down, so we were trying to figure out what happened because they didn't give me any information. And then on the 19th, I received my order from Paper Muse Craft. The mailer is from Alyssa's craft shop. And on the 23rd, I made the PR team for Lilaclunaplans. On the 25th, I received an order from Amazon as well as IDAHOPAPERCO, who I do PR for. You can use code Quen20 for 20% off plus my freebie. On the 27th, I was marking that was my dad's birthday, and I used the other little circle from the kit, and the script is also from the kit. Moving back over, I wanted to mark that I ended up buying myself flowers and a cake this day just to celebrate me, just to make myself a little bit more happy. This week, I did decide to go ahead and leave the writing in, so here it is. So I'm gonna just pop everything back into my Aura Estelle. It is January 26th when I'm filming this video, so I do have a few more things to put in here and a few more personal things that I want to put in here as well. But this is how the spread or the month is turning out. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Bye.